H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Okay, so as usual, Java is okay. First of all, why Java even become very famous? Even though there was C and C++, even this Java could come into existence, there was other programming languages like C and C++. Okay, even though there was a programming language, why suddenly this programming emerged and it became so successful? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Why it became so famous suddenly?
It could be supported by multiple operating systems and browsers, web browsers. It is a free source tool. Sorry, sorry. I think I'm wrong.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. More importantly, there are two. Okay, let me give you a choice between C++ and Java. I told C or C++ was there even before Java could came into market. But this Java came into a market and it captured all the application which was built in C and C++. Like Java took over all that. The reason is very simple. Okay, there are
It's
two
like
choices.
English language. It's like English language, and we can understand it very easily as English language.
Okay, we can call it like that also. In a very simple terms, let's assume we have two choices. The first choice is we have to write complicated code, like very how to tell tightly coupled code, meaning to tell that you have to remember all syntax, all computer jargons, like semicolon, that, this, and all. The other one, that is B. The first option is A, which I told you. The other option is B. Very simple, human readable, supported multiple platform, and more importantly, we can understand just by looking at the code what it is doing. So which one would you prefer, A or B?
B.
Obviously it is B, right? Why? Because B is simple. We can understand by just reading the code, the line of code, what it is doing, and more importantly, it is easy and supported by multiple platforms. So obviously, we will go with option B, that is Java, right? Correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That is a simple reason that Java became famous, even though there was C and C++, which was there in the market even before Java could come. But Java is not entirely a new programming language. Okay, Java was like it got inspired from C and C++, and they have like big what C and C++. If we say it is a raw type, Java, like it's a kind of morph, like like extracted the raw one, made some changes, and made it beautiful and colorful, and made it simple. That's it, right? So Java is a high level programming language. What do you mean by high level? What do you mean by high level in the sense? As I told you, the line, the Java statement, that the programming that you would be writing in Java is human readable. That is, let me write one simple line of code in Java and tell me what do you mean by this? System. What do you generally call a system as? What do you refer a system as?
Device or our laptop.
Yeah, very good. Your laptop or your computer we will usually refer to as system, correct?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. System dot out. Okay, combine this both word. From system, you are sending something out, correct? Correct?
Yes,
Dot
Ye-
correct.
print
Yes.
ln. That is, can somebody read it for me?
System dot out dot print ln
Hello world.
hello world.
Okay. Isn't it simple? From your system, you're sending something out to print. And what is that to print? Hello world. And this would be the output of this, or this you will see as output in your console. Isn't it human readable? Isn't it human
Yes.
readable?
Yes,
First
it is.
time, first time you may not understand. Second time you will be able to understand a little bit. Third time you will be easily able to make out what is this line of code is doing. Agree?
Yes.
Agree?
Yes. Yes.
That is what it is called as high level programming language. That is Java code, whatever the application or the Java code that you would be reading it, it will be very simple. May not be on the very first attempt, you will find it simple. But if you keep looking at the code once or twice, okay, you will be able to understand what that line of code is doing in Java. Cool. Uh, then Java was introduced by Sun Microsystem and now been taken over and owned by Oracle. So very simple, right? So Java was first introduced by Sun Microsystem. Please be on mute. Richa, please be on mute. Okay. Java was introduced by Sun Microsystem and now it is taken over and owned by Oracle. So Oracle, as you guys heard about this Oracle, what it is famous for?
Database management system.
Very good. Oracle is very famous for DBMS. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
So even the Java software, it is Oracle. Okay, the Java software, it has been taken and it is owned by Oracle. Java evolution started from the year 1994, and James Gosling is called father of Java programming language. Nothing but like I mean, not that important, but yes, for your knowledge, James Gosling is a person who so called as father of Java programming language. Okay. The as usual, like just like any other softwares, the Java version started with 1.0 and the latest as of today is Java 22. So which is the year? Which year it is? Which is this year?
23.
2023.
2023.
Remember this. Remember this. At the time of interview, if somebody asks which is the latest version of Java, Java 2022 is the latest version, but we would be learning Java 11. The question you can ask that why Santosh, like we could directly learn Java 22, the 2022nd version itself. No, there are some Selenium doesn't support Java 2022. I mean, the best version that we would be learning is Java 11. Till last year, last 2022 June, till last year, which was the Java version which was 99% used across the globe for developing the application? Java 8. Can you believe? As of today, the version is 2022, but till last year, okay, the companies was using Java version 1.8. Okay, but what happened was as we progress to a new technologies and other things, Java 1.8 started giving so much of issues, and more importantly, there was some security and vulnerability threats was there on Java 8. That's why people started migrating their application from Java 8 to either after 11, right? From 11 till 17, whatever it is, they started migrating. But we would be learning Java 11. Clear? Clear?
Okay.
Right.
Sir, Santosh, does it mean that maximum companies are working with Java 11 only?
Yeah, even now, at least 70% of the companies migrated from Java 8 to Java 11. It's not that hard and fast rule that it has to be Java 11 only. You can even work with Java 17. Java 17 is a max. Don't go beyond that, right?
Okay, yeah. If we learn Java 11 and if the
Hmm.
company is asking us to do on Java 14, so we
no.
won't.
Yeah, it will be compatible. Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
Or we
okay,
can directly have Java 17 itself. If you so much of worried that like what will happen, we can directly work on Java 17. But I prefer to go with Java 11 because that has, I mean, sometimes the other softwares like Jenkins we would be learning and all that might not be compatible with Java 17 as of now, but it is compatible with Java 11.
okay. No, I was just asking because 11, the knowledge for 11 is enough for us, right?
More than
That's,
sufficient.
yeah, okay. Thank you.
So the advantage of using Java is, okay, so Java can be found in everything and anything, starting from your web application to your mobile phone, or even the appliances which is used in the kitchen, or even the music systems or other equipment which is there in your vehicles. So Java can be used, or the Java programs that we write can be used in multiple platforms like this, but we are not least bothered about that. All we have to focus on is, can Java be used to develop web application or mobile application? The answer is yes. Can we use Java to its at most efficient manner using or like how much of compatible that it has with Selenium? 100%. So platform independence. Okay, remember this. Sometimes if somebody asks platform independence, what do you mean by that is Java program which is developed on a Windows machine can be easily executed on Linux or Mac without any problem. That is, it supports cross functionalities across multiple devices. It's very simple. The Java code that I am writing on my Windows machine, the same code can be executed on Mac or any other operating system machines. That is called as platform independence. This is just an advertisement that Java runs on 3 billion devices and so on.